To a primetime news follow-up now. The police are nowhere closer to finding the persons who killed a St. Thomas man who was mistaken for the suspect in the abduction of 2 children in the parish. The suspect, Davian Bryan, remains on the run. But the family of the man who died yesterday is devastated. Our reporter Anthony Lugg is in St. Thomas and now reports.
Disbelief, grief and anger. The emotional turmoil now facing the family of Levi Chambers, the man who was killed by an angry mob in St. Thomas on Wednesday.
For his life to be snuffed out this early. Painful.
I'm currently in the bedroom of Levi Chambers. Over here is the bed on which he slept, but now there's a picture on his pillow just beside a Bible. Now on the other side of the room is the closet where he would put his clothes. It's just over 24 hours since Mr. Chambers was killed by an angry mob, and the family remains terrified.
The thought that you're not going to see back Levi again.
No one hurts. Not in your life. On the earth.
Chambers, who's originally from South Haven in the parish, was mistaken for Davian Bryan, the man who's suspected to have abducted 2 girls from the Bath community. Family members of the deceased man are still trying to determine how and why he ended up in Landoway where the deadly incident happened.
Let me set the record straight. My brother is not mentally ill. My brother is not mentally ill. So if them are going to use that as a scapegoat or a clause, them can forget about that.
Before he met his demise at the hands of the mob, Mr. Chambers was among St. Thomas residents who'd been speaking out against the abduction and was hopeful the accused would be apprehended.
If you see my brother condemn the kidnapping and all of that, and then now him come lose him life because of the same scenario, whatever them want to call it. It hurt. When I say it hurt, I mean it hurt.
Devastated by Levi's death, the family is seeking answers, but all they have for now are questions.
Him have so many ID on him that you could have searched him, you could have asked him. I don't know if that do happen. Ask him what he's about in the community. Question him, you know? You know, just kill a man and then you ask him question after.
The police are yet to identify the persons behind the deadly mob attack. Investigations are continuing. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.